Hi everybody and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for a customer service job. Basically, no one likes to write a cover letter, and the conflicting advice and old-fashioned videos out there doesn't help either. Therefore, I want to give you some hands-on information about the do's and don'ts of each part of the cover letter. And what better way to show you than writing the example on the spot within 5 minutes. Sounds good, right? Now before I start, I want to give you a brief summary of the top 5 keynotes for writing your own version. First off, make sure to use the cover letter format. It consists of the formal requirements and 4 paragraphs. That I will show you in a second. Furthermore, pick a suitable font and font size. Calibri, Arial and Times New Roman will do. And choose a 10 and 12 point size for easy reading. Also, make sure to use the same font and font size for your resume. Second, a customer service position usually requires communication skills and technical know-how. Show which soft and hard skills you obtain related to the job description. Soft skills for a receptionist job include listening, conflict resolution and empathy. Hard skills are, for example, difficult software programming skills. Keynote 3 is a follow-up. When you write down your qualifications, do not forget to make it measurable. That means giving the reader examples that show you actually master a skill. For example, include manager or customer feedback reports, or mention numbers and percentages. Fourthly, find out whom to address your cover letter to. That means do proper research on the recruiter and company you are applying for. For instance, add related context to gain more information. At last, politely initiate an interview. Give a brief summary of what you want to discuss about. Close the cover letter and check it for spelling and grammar errors. Now that's a brief summary of the requirements, but let me give you some hands-on help and start writing a cover letter example for a receptionist position. Start off with your contact information, followed by the date of application. Then list to whom you are addressing your cover letter to. A suitable opening should be something like "Dear Miss Williams" or "Greetings Miss Williams." I notice that many people write "Dear Sir, Madam," "Dear Hiring Manager," or even "To whom it may concern." I can tell you now that such openings will decrease your chances of getting the job. If no name is included in the vacancy, you better do some research on LinkedIn. Search for people working in the company or department and try to reach them for information. It certainly proves that you are really interested and motivated. Now the cover letter format is divided into 4 paragraphs: the introduction, match, motivation and conclusion. Let's start with the introduction, shall we? Now for the introduction, you have to grab the reader's attention. Show that you are excited and capable to solve or tackle common problems in the customer service industry. Also, recruiters are always interested in where you found the vacancy. Leave a good first impression by precisely telling the reader. Now in the second paragraph you first have to introduce yourself and then express your motivation about specific job competencies or about, for example, the company culture. Let's say your daily tasks require working with Zoho Office Suite. Then you need to emphasize on your motivation to work with this software tool and substantiate your statement. That means don't simply state your proficiency in Zoho, but give some context so that it becomes clear that you actually do obtain those skills and have passion for the job. By matching your profile to their job description, you show your reader that you did your research and are in fact motivated for this specific vacancy. The third paragraph is actually a follow-up on the second paragraph. However, this time you focus more on your qualifications and prove that it matches the job requirements. Do not simply list your skills and achievements, but focus on notable contributions and major achievements. And again, bring context to your accomplishments. So what did you achieve in numbers, percentages, or awards you were granted? In the closing paragraph you briefly summarize your most important skills and how you would use them to solve the company's problems and contribute to success. In the case of a customer service job that is usually related to maintaining customer satisfaction, initiate an interview to discuss the main substance of the issue and required hard skills. At last, do not forget to express your appreciation for the reader's time and consideration. Close with "best regards" or "sincerely" followed by your name. Alright, within just several minutes I showed you how to write a cover letter for a customer service job. Besides the business letter format, Your cover letter has to match the resume. I would advise you to not only match the font and font size, but also the template look and feel. On this screen you can find an example template package that looks modern and professional and will most likely improve your chances of getting the job, because it proves you've got attention for details and work neatly. The link in the description will redirect you to the website with all kinds of templates you can download. Now that's it for this tutorial. If you are still struggling with an introduction or conclusion, then check out my top 5 example videos for each paragraph. It will certainly give you inspiration for writing your own version. Now if you have any questions related to writing a cover letter, then leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. At last, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this YouTube video and see you next time. Bye.